Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people: the Indian Rupee's exchange rate against the US dollar. Have you noticed the USD INR rate hovering near its all-time high recently? Well, you're not imagining it, and there's a big reason why: growing trade tensions between the United States and India. So, what's happening? Let's break it down. The US dollar has been strong globally, partly because the Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to manage inflation. When US interest rates are high, investors are more attracted to the dollar, which pushes its value up against other currencies, including the rupee. But that's only part of the story. The other major factor is the trade relationship between the US and India. Recently, there have been some disagreements and policy changes. For example, the US has expressed concerns about India's tariffs on certain American goods, while India has its own trade priorities to protect. This kind of uncertainty makes international investors a bit nervous. When they get worried about a country's economic outlook, they often pull their money out and convert it back to a currency they see as safer, like the US dollar. This selling of the rupee and buying of the dollar puts even more downward pressure on the rupee's value. Now, what does this mean for the average person? If you're importing goods from the US or planning to study or travel there, a weaker rupee means everything becomes more expensive. Your money just doesn't stretch as far. On the flip side, for Indian exporters, a weaker rupee can be a good thing. Their products become cheaper for American buyers, potentially boosting sales and making Indian goods more competitive on the global stage. It's a classic double-edged sword. The Reserve Bank of India is definitely watching this situation closely. They have tools to stabilize the currency, but it's a delicate balancing act between managing inflation, supporting growth, and navigating these international pressures. As these trade talks continue, the outcome will have a direct impact on the currency market. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this develops. That's all for today's financial deep dive. I hope this helps you understand the forces moving the USD/INR exchange rate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.